Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 2 exponent 2x minus 5 times 2 exponent x plus 4 equals 0. The first thing we'll do is to rewrite the 2 exponent 2x part using this rule. So then it becomes 2 exponent x or exponent 2. So now our equation looks like this. The next thing to do is to replace 2 exponent x with a variable. Let's use u. So let u equals 2 exponent x. Now we have a quadratic equation. U squared minus 5u plus 4 equals 0. Factorizing this, we have u minus 1 times u minus 4 equals 0. And then we have u equals 1 or u equals 4. Now we can bring back our 2 exponent x, right? So replace u back with 2 exponent x. So 2 exponent x equals 1, which is the same as 2 exponent 0. And we know if the bases are the same, you can equate the exponents. So we can say x equals 0. And also, we have 2 exponent x equals 4, which is the same as 2 exponent x equals 2 squared. And since the bases are the same, can equate the exponents, and we have x equals 2. So our answer is x equals 0 or x equals 2. So that's how you solve a question like this. Thanks for watching. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Bye.